Poor boy success. Raju lived in a tiny hut with his mother. They were very poor and often they didn't have enough food to eat. Raju's father had passed away when Raju was very young, so his mother worked hard to take care of him. She washed clothes for the villagers and did other small jobs to earn money. Despite their struggles, Raju's mother always taught him to be honest, kind, and hardworking. Raju loved to study. Even though they couldn't afford books or school fees, Raju was determined to learn. He borrowed old books from the village school and studied by himself. At night, he would sit under the street lamp because they didn't have electricity at home. He knew that education was the key to a better life. One day, an opportunity came knocking. A kind teacher from the village school noticed Raju's dedication. The teacher knew Raju was bright and had a strong will to succeed, so he offered to teach Raju for free. He also gave Raju some old books and notebooks. Raju was overjoyed. He promised himself that he would make the most of this opportunity. Raju studied day and night. He paid attention to everything his teacher said and spent hours reading and practicing on his own. He wasn't the smartest boy in the class at first, but he was the most hardworking. He didn't give up, even when things were tough. His hard work started to pay off. Slowly, he became one of the top students in the class. As time passed, Raju finished his schooling with excellent grades. He applied for a scholarship to a big college in the city. Because of his good grades and determination, he was accepted with full financial aid. Raju knew that this was a big step towards changing his life. He thanked his teacher and mother and set off for the city to continue his education. Life in the city was not easy. Raju was alone and missed his mother and village. But he remembered why he was there. He studied even harder and worked part-time jobs to support himself. Sometimes he would go hungry, but he never complained. He kept his focus on his studies, knowing that education would lead him to success. After years of hard work, Raju graduated from college. He was one of the top students in his class. Many companies were impressed by his dedication and knowledge. Raju received several job offers and chose to work for a big company that valued his skills. His hard work had finally paid off. Raju's life began to change. With his job, he earned a good salary. He sent money back to his mother, who no longer had to work. He bought a small house for her in the village. Raju also continued to work hard at his job, and soon, he was promoted to a higher position. His success kept growing, but he never forgot his roots. He remained humble and kind. Raju's story spread in his village. The villagers admired him for his success, but more importantly, they respected him for his kindness and humility. Raju became an inspiration to many other children in the village. He showed them that even if you are poor, with hard work, honesty, and determination, you can achieve great things. In the end, Raju returned to his village. He built a school there so that no child would have to struggle like he did to get an education. He wanted to give back to the community that had supported him. The school became a place where many poor children could learn and dream of a better future, just like Raju had once dreamed. Raju's success was not just about money. It was about overcoming challenges, staying true to his values, and helping others. He showed that true success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but also about how you use your success to help others. The end. Explanation of the story. Background: Raju was born in a poor family, but he had a strong will to learn. His mother taught him important values like honesty, kindness, and hard work. These values became the foundation of his success. Opportunities: Raju's determination caught the attention of a kind teacher who offered to help him. This shows that sometimes others will help you if you show that you are willing to help yourself. Hard work: even though Raju was not the smartest at first, he worked harder than anyone else. His hard work helped him to improve and succeed in his studies. The story teaches us that hard work is more important than natural talent. Perseverance: Raju faced many difficulties, especially when he went to the city. He missed his family and struggled to make ends meet, but he never gave up. Perseverance is another key lesson in this story. Success: Raju's success came after many years of hard work and struggle. He got a good job and was able to take care of his mother. But his success wasn't just about money, it was about achieving his dreams and helping others. Giving back: Raju didn't forget where he came from. He used his success to help other poor children by building a school in his village. This teaches us that true success includes helping others and giving back to your community. Moral: the story of Raju teaches us that no matter how difficult life is, with hard work, honesty, and determination, we can overcome challenges and achieve success. It also shows that true success is not just about what you gain but also about how you help others to succeed.